Folklore, you're very welcome to Suantraí Íosa, where we're looking at the readings for tomorrow, Sunday, the 10th of September, the 23rd Sunday in the Church's ordinary year. The first reading is taken from Ezekiel 33, in which Ezekiel is warned that he must bear witness to the moral truth that God has taught us and call on wicked people to renounce their ways. And if you don't do that, you become responsible for their death, their eternal death. This is our call to love. The motivation is love for all mankind. And we bear witness by what we say and do to a moral and good life. And also bear witness to our faith in God's mercy and that God welcomes sinners. He detests sin, but loves sinners. The psalm tomorrow, "Oh, that today you would listen to his voice, harden not your hearts." The danger is that our hearts and the hearts of other people can become hard. So we have to pray to God to help us to be faithful to the gospel. The letter to the Romans picks up the theme of the first letter, that the only task we have is actually to love our brothers and sisters. Love is the only thing that cannot hurt your neighbor. That is why it is the answer to every one of the commandments. So we continue to love. We continue to intercede and work with and show compassion to those who are trapped in sin, while encouraging them by our lifestyle, by the witness of our life and our words to the truth of the gospel. And the gospel tomorrow is particularly encouraging. It talks about reconciling members of the church with one another. But the thing that is most encouraging is that final statement tomorrow, where 2 or 3 meet in my name or gather in my name, I shall be there with them. God in his love does not desert us. And often at times we can feel alone or frightened that we are alone. But the truth is, especially when we gather for the Eucharist, even if it's only 2 or 3, Christ is there with us. And where we gather to pray as a family, Christ is there as us. Family prayer is very important. It makes Christ present in your home and in my home. Never underestimate the power of prayer, because it's through prayer that we make Christ present in the world, that we enrich our own faith, and we enrich the community as a result. With thoughts such as these, let us go to our beds, and let us pray that we shall indeed awaken in the morning with the praise of God on our hearts and on our lips. Agus gemana dia elakopvik shiv, ahar mak agus spirit nave. Amen. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.